Hello, welcome back. I'm sorry, Kitty, I didn't mean to do that. Welcome back. Today we are taking a little break from the endless supply of how to build an aesthetic wardrobe videos, and today we're just kind of talking generally about how to build an aesthetic outfit, because I know it's kind of hard to build an outfit sometimes. And I've been seeing a lot of those TikToks where you're styling an outfit versus wearing an outfit, and I wanted to talk a little bit more about how to do that and how to style a basic outfit and make it a little bit more interesting. And before we get started, I just wanted to give a little shout out to my Discord server where we can talk about anything about fashion and aesthetics. You can post your outfit of the day, so you can use these tips that you learned in today's video and try to build your own outfit, post it in my Discord channel, and get some feedback from other people on whether your outfit looks good or not. You can also talk about where to shop for certain things, ask for good fashion advice, or share new aesthetics you found. So it's just a really great community to talk more about fashion and aesthetics. I even have a monthly book club going, which is not exactly related to fashion, but it's still pretty fun, and I just love this little community I've built, so I definitely recommend checking it out, and I'll link it down below. Well, let's start with the very basic of basics. You need a top and a bottoms. So you can start with those little fashion formulas that you may have heard of, like wearing a tight top with baggy jeans or baggy bottoms, or a baggy top with tight bottoms. And I think that's a really good place to start. I think that look almost always works. I especially love wearing like a tight top with baggy bottoms, and I think this looks particularly good on me. And I think it just kind of takes trial and error to figure out what looks good on you, so you can try out all of these combinations. And it's not a hard fast rule. You can also try tight on top and tight on bottom, or baggy on top and baggy on bottom. I feel like it just kind of depends on the vibe you're going for. So try them all, see what looks good on you, see what you feel the most confident in, and figure out what kind of vibe you're going for with this outfit. For example, if you're like aesthetics like dark academia, those are definitely more structured and not very like baggy or messy, so you want something a lot more tailored and structured to you rather than like baggy pants. Unless you want a more casual academia look, I think bagginess usually equates to a more casual vibe. And if you're more into something grungy or more downtown girl-y, then I would definitely go for a more baggy, oversized fit. So it really depends, but also just try to choose what makes you feel the most confident. You don't have to follow an aesthetic exactly, but it really helps to have like a starting point. So if you want to look through my aesthetic videos where I talk about different kinds of fashion aesthetics, I think that'll help to get kind of a sense of what styles you like and what styles you can like mix together to make your own personal style, and what kind of silhouettes and colors you like. And then you can try those out and see what looks good on you and what makes you feel the most confident. I would also suggest trying to copy other people's outfits when you're just like starting to figure out how to build up an outfit and how to find your own personal style. You can definitely copy some people's outfits, but like you don't have to copy them exactly. Like obviously you're not going to have the same exact shirt and top as them, but try to like figure out what's similar in your closet that you have and try to copy their outfit with what you already have rather than buying something new. And when I come up with an outfit, I feel like everything has its purpose. Everything is intentional, from the shirt to the pants to even the socks. I feel like if your socks are going to peek through a little, I would try to pick like a cute pair of socks and one that kind of fits the vibe of the outfit. Like a frilly sock isn't going to go with a more casual downtown girl grungy outfit, unless you kind of want to juxtapose those styles together and contrast those two like feminine versus masculine styles. That also works, and that's also very intentional as well. So just try to pick everything with intention and purpose and not just throwing things on. Unless you're just experimenting, then definitely just experiment, throw things on and see what looks good. Another thing you can do is manipulate how clothing falls on you so it looks the way you want it. Like tucking in a shirt versus untucking a shirt is a simple way to kind of change up a look and the vibe of an outfit. If you want to look a little bit more prim and proper, or if you want to look a little bit more casual and messy. Another thing you could do is use safety pins and like pin up a shirt or pin a skirt to change the hemline of it, and that's definitely a way to spice up an outfit, and it helps with layering as well, because sometimes like if you have too many layers it just kind of looks like messy in a bad way, and personally if I wear a lot of layers it might just drown me out. So kind of manipulating how clothing falls on me definitely helps with layering and just trying to make an outfit look more intentional. Another thing you can do is use strings to like tie pants to cinch in the waist, or tie a dress to cinch in the waist. That works as well. So here I'm following the tight top and baggy pants formula, and I have on a tank top and some baggy pants, and I think this look already looks pretty good, but I want to add more to it. Let's say it's a chilly day, I want to throw on a jacket. You can definitely be more intentional with this as well. So I have on a jacket here that makes it look a little bit more fairy grunge. It's like this kind of earth tone cardigan, sweater, zip-up hoodie thing, and it's definitely a more grungy fairy core look with the earthy tones. So if I want to go for that aesthetic, I definitely pick this and pick accessories that match this, but we'll talk more about accessories later. And then if I want to go for more of a downtown girl city urban look, I throw on this jacket and maybe put on some headphones and a tote bag, maybe change up the shoes, and it's just like a whole different vibe, but we started from the same base of this tank top and baggy pants. Another way you can build an outfit is starting from a certain piece that you want to style around. For example, if I wanted to style around this pair of ballet flats, I would try to pick out the color palette that would go with this. So with red ballet flats, personally, I would want to make them pop out. So I would wear some neutral colors like black and white, or maybe denim. You don't necessarily have to make it pop out. You can wear like other kinds of reds and mix red with a complementary color, but this is just what I want to do. So I would pick out a color palette, and then I would try to like make it more cohesive by matching red with an accessory like a little red ribbon in my hair. Let's take another example and say I want to style this purple knit skirt. So again, I would look at the color palette. Is it cool tone or warm tone? What goes with purple? You can go for complementary colors, or you can just go with other cool tone colors, or if all else fails, you know, I think black or white goes with almost anything. So there's a lot of options you can go for this one. So I might wear it with like a black turtleneck, black tights, and black shoes, or I might wear it with a purple matching turtleneck and then a green vest over it, which I have worn in the past. Or I might go for other cool tone colors, so I might wear it with like a blue cardigan. So there's a lot of different ways you can style a certain piece, and whenever I buy like a certain item of clothing, I always try to think of like multiple ways to style it, like 3 to 5 ways at least. If I can't style it in that many outfits with what I already have, then I probably won't buy it, because why am I buying something that I'm not gonna wear? Now, let's talk shoes. Okay, maybe not these shoes because these are my pole dancing shoes, but shoes are definitely a big deal for me because I feel like it really makes or breaks an outfit. I know shoes are definitely more expensive, sometimes the most expensive part of an outfit, but I really do think it makes a difference in the outfit and the vibe of the outfit. So if you can buy other shoes to have some options, then it definitely makes a difference. But of course, it's not the end-all be-all. You can still have really cool outfits with the same pair of shoes. But look at this outfit with sneakers versus the same outfit with these black boots. I feel like it makes such a big difference in the vibe of an outfit. One is definitely a lot more casual, and one is a lot more dressed up and like Instagram baddie kind of. So totally different vibes. Sometimes you want something more sleek, sometimes you want something more chunky and platform, sometimes you want something more casual, and sometimes you want something more dressed up. So just kind of think about that when you're making an outfit, and try on different shoes with the outfit and see what makes sense, what looks good and what doesn't, and you might find that more than one pair of shoes can look good with the outfit and totally change up the vibe. Okay, so you've got your top, you got your bottoms, you got your jacket, you got your shoes. Now we can talk about accessorizing to make your basic outfit look a little bit more interesting. So the most obvious way to accessorize is with jewelry. So you might want to pick gold or silver jewelry. You can definitely mix them. I've mixed them before because who's stopping you? But I guess like the traditional rules of fashion is to pick gold or silver jewelry. And since we're starting with the basics, you probably want to learn the rules before you break them, just to make your outfit look a little bit more cohesive. So pick gold or silver jewelry, whichever you think looks best on you, or you can also go for the vibe of an outfit. I feel like you see a lot of silver jewelry in alternative, darker, edgier outfits, and more gold in like daintier, coquette-like outfits, although you can see gold in more darker outfits as well, and silver in more coquette-y outfits as well, so it doesn't have to be like the determining factor. But another thing to keep in mind is like the chunkiness of the jewelry. Like you would definitely pick more dainty jewelry for those like hyper feminine aesthetics, and maybe more chunky jewelry for like something more casual and like fun in a way, like, I don't know, kidcore, definitely more like chunky jewelry, more colorful jewelry and vibrant jewelry. Just try to look up like the kinds of aesthetics you like and try to figure out what kinds of jewelry you see a lot in those aesthetics. Another really easy accessory is like a thin scarf, like those little square like handkerchief type scarves. You can do a lot with those. You can wear it as like a headband, you can tie it around your neck, you can tie it around your waist as a belt if it's long enough, or you can tie it around the handle of your bag, and it just kind of elevates your look a little bit, adds a little something extra to it. And like I said, it's just very versatile. You can do a lot with it, so I would definitely invest in one of those little guys. You can also go for hair accessories like hair clips, hair ribbons, and that can definitely change up the vibe of an outfit as well. You can go for more like fairy core inspired hair clips and nature inspired hair clips, like butterfly clips, something more fairy-like. You can go for more like feminine coquette type or dark academia type with like pearls, something more vintagey inspired, or you can go for something more funky and fun and vibrant, or you can go for something more dark and edgy. So there's a lot of different ways you can go with hair accessories. Ribbons is another one I see a lot, especially lately. There's like ribbons in your hair, ribbons around the handle of your bag, ribbons around your neck, around your waist. You can do a lot with ribbons as well. Arm warmers and leg warmers are also another accessory that I mention a lot when I'm talking about how to build an aesthetic wardrobe. You can wear them in so many different aesthetics. Like I see a lot in fairy core and fairy grunge. You can see it in the Academy aesthetic or the downtown girl aesthetic. There's just like a lot you can do with arm warmers and leg warmers as well. It's also kind of a cool way to like mix aesthetics. Like if you wanted to mix like dark academia and fairy core, you might want to like throw in some arm warmers in a more dark academia outfit and maybe some ripped tights, and that's definitely a way you can like mix aesthetics. And another one that I saw some other people do on like Instagram is have like little keychains, like you know those little plush keychains. I kind of have like too many of them that I don't know what to do with. So one thing I've seen people do is like hook them onto like the belt loop of their pants, and I think that's really cute. It's just kind of a little accessory on your waist here. You got a little buddy with you. I think that's really cute too. And yeah, those are the easiest ways I can think of accessorizing right now. Super easy ways to just add a little something extra into your outfit. Also, another thing I forgot to mention is purses. Purses can also definitely make a difference. You can go for like a more casual look with like a tote bag or a canvas type of purse. Or if you want to dress up more, you can go for like leather or velvet, or maybe something like a crochet purse for an aesthetic like cottagecore or fairycore. There's just kind of a lot of options you can go for here, and it also kind of makes a difference in the general vibe of an outfit. And other thing is circling back to scarves. If it doesn't fit around your waist as a belt, another option is tying it on your belt loop and just like making a little bow there, and that's a cool way to kind of spice up your pants as well. You can do that with a ribbon too, or multiple ribbons, just to like layer ribbons for a more like feminine look. Belts in general too, you can use a belt to like cinch in your waist in a dress, or you can just use like a chunky statement belt for a more like Y2K look, or a chain belt, or like one of those celestial inspired belts if you want a more like witch core vibe. You could definitely use belts to spice your outfits up or kind of just push it more towards the vibe or aesthetic you're going for. Alright, so that's how to build a basic outfit 101. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope it made sense, and I hope that you guys can start building your own outfits now. And then if you want to like elevate your outfit even more and learn how to layer more aesthetically, then I have a video on that as well, how to layer aesthetically, and I think that one is also really helpful if you really want to elevate your outfit even more and make it even more aesthetic. But I think if you follow the tips in this video, your outfits are going to look great already. It's going to be really easy to build an outfit from scratch or to build around a certain piece. So I hope this helped, and let me know if you have more tips down below. I would love to hear them because I would love to improve my own outfits as well. Like, I'm not like the end-all be-all expert on fashion, and there's always something new to learn. So let me know if you have any tips down below, and let me know if you have any video suggestions as well for more fashion and aesthetic content. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and join my Discord server again to meet other people who are interested in fashion and aesthetics. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time.